What's up? I'm Vaughn, founder and CEO of Tier 5, the makers of Frame Connector. And look, I just wanted to go ahead and be super clear about something here because I'm not a marketer, but I know there's a lot of marketers in the world and they're always doing crazy marketing stuff. If you look right here, I'm making you a very special limited offer for Frame Connector. We normally charge $127 a month for Frame Connector, but right now I'm giving you a super special offer for a 7-day free trial, and then it's just $31 a month. That's $1 a day, less than a large coffee, to get anywhere from 10 to 100 fresh hot leads every single day on your Facebook account and blow up your organic marketing with people who are ready to buy your products and services. I can guarantee you just a few things. One, Frame Connector will do wonders for you. It will help you sell a lot more of your products and services. I know because it's actually helped me sell a lot more of my products and services, and it's actually helped me win not one, but two Comma Club awards from organic marketing. So I can promise you and guarantee you that Frame Connector will actually help you get more leads and help you sell more of your products and services if you use it every day. And I can also guarantee you that this is not some marketing gimmick. This is not some fake urgency, that this is not some fake scarcity. There's a countdown timer right down there. And if you take action, you're gonna get a 7-day free trial and an amazing deal on Frame Connector where it's just $1 a day. It's $31 after your free trial. If you decide not to take action, and you leave this page or that countdown timer runs to 0, that offer will disappear forever and you'll never see it again. It will go back to the original price, our normal price of $127 a month, which I know Frame Connector is worth because we have lots and lots of paying customers who pay us $127 a month every month because they thought that this was some marketing gimmick. They thought they could skip this deal and come back tomorrow or come back in an hour. And when they came back, the deal was gone. The special offer was gone and you don't get it again. I'm giving it to you right now for you to go ahead and take action. So my recommendation, I already gave you the guarantees. My recommendation would be you just go ahead and start your 7-day free trial. If you don't love this software, then you can cancel. We won't charge you a penny. But if you skip this deal, if you skip this offer, then if you ever want to use Frame Connector again, it's going to be $127 a month. So there's no reason, it's completely risk-free. There's no reason whatsoever that you don't take this trial, because once you get Frame Connector, like I said, I can guarantee you, just like I can guarantee you I love my wife and that's why I married her, I can guarantee you that Frame Connector will help you get more leads and help you make more money.